Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my gosh. This is Gabor, a new style by Gabor. And this is called, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's called Alluring Locks. And oh my goodness, this is just gorgeous. In a color I love, Shaded Biscuit. So you can see the shaded root. I'm going to show you a couple of things about this new wig I have on. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So soft, gorgeous. Now she's heat friendly, so you can style her with heat tools up to 350 degrees. So you could curl more or you could straighten this. And what I love about this is the cap. So let's look underneath real quick so you can see this. Underneath, we have the open wefting and the Velcro adjusters, but we also have all of this free parting space and then the lace front. So let me show you when I first put her on and when you first tuned in here, I had her parted on this side. Now I want to show you this. This is really cool. You can see the hairline, you can see my part. It looks like my scalp in there. So what I'd like to do is change it up. And let me show you this other side. So the coloring kind of changes a little bit when you change the part, but you can wear it on either side or in the middle. So for my girls that are middle part girls, ladies, you can do that. You can be right side, left side, wherever you'd like to part this. Now I tend to part my hair on the left side, but once in a while I like to change it up. So when I greeted you, I was on the right side. So let me show you this. So I like to add a little bit of water. This is just water in an old bottle. And so I like to add some water just to kind of calm the hair and style it a little bit. Oh my gosh, I just love, love, love. Shaded Biscuit. I love the shaded root. Look at this hairline. Can you see in there? Gorgeous, right? The coloring, I love the highlights right here. Sophisticated yet fun. Let me show you the back. Let's see. So you can notice too, when I was turned around, you can't really see anything. It doesn't look fake. It doesn't look any sort of way. It just is so pretty. Again, this is Alluring Locks. This is a new style by Gabor. She is heat friendly, and so you could add more curls if you wanted to, or if you wanted to, straighten it. I like the curls. When I get a wig, I like it the way it comes. So it's just really, really, really pretty. Alluring Locks, Gabor, in the color Shaded Biscuit. Have a great day.